the cookies.
For Santa.
For Santa.
What color?
Sprinkle ones.
Sprinkle ones?
Yeah.
Okay. And you put some on your rolling pin?
So just
Good job.
that.
Let me see it. Okay. Now roll it out.
Right here.
Good job.
That's one.
I need a little bit of flour.
I need a little bit of flour. I'll take some. This is our cookie cutters.
And you cut shapes. Now show us how to do it. Good job. Summer, keep doing it.
That's under Batman right here. Thunder Batman.
You have icing?
Yeah.
Show us what color icing you have.
It's red.
Hold it up so we can see it. And what else do you have over there? Sprinkles.
Sprinkles, purple, pink, purple, purple.
Good job. Where are our cookies right now?
It's cooking.
In the oven?
Number
Can you say 350
350.
degrees
3
for 12 minutes?
For 7 minutes. Number 8.
Whoa, careful.
Look at that.
What are you putting on it, Summer? What are you doing?
Put the sprinkles on here. That's it.
How's it taste?
Yummy.
Get close up of it. Can you smell it? Are you proud of it?
It's right there.